Hey guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So guys, in this illustration it is given that S engineering company has two options. First option is repair the existing machinery. Second option is replace the existing machinery with a new machinery. So in here S engineering limited company has a machinery which is under repair. The company has two options. The option 1 is to repair the existing machinery. Option 2 is to replace the existing machinery with a new machinery. So here we have other details given, like on the old machinery the running cost is 2 lakh. Useful life of the machinery is 5 years. At present it is on breakdown, and for the repair the company needs 1,90,000. If it is not repaired, it can be sold for 50,000 rupees, and we can ignore the loss or gain for such calculations. Okay, the second option is to replace the old machinery with a new machinery. So the details of the second machinery is the price of the machinery is 4,90,000. Useful life is 10 years. Depreciation is under straight line method. Running and maintenance cost of the machinery is rupees 1,40,000. Okay, S Engineering Limited required a normal return of 10% per annum. The tax rate is 15%. PV factor of 10%. 5-year PV factor will comes under 3.791 and 10 years is 6.145. So guys, I am going for directly for the solution. So first we will find out what is the cost of the old machinery after repairing. Okay, here we have to take the repairing cost of rupees 1,90,000. Okay, after taking 1,90,000 we need to exclude the tax, which is 1,90,000 into 15%. As you all know that the tax rate is 50%, so we need to exclude tax from the cost, so we'll get an amount of 95,000 rupees. Okay, so after computing the repairing cost, we need to split the repairing cost as annual cost. For computing the annual cost, the computation is 95,000 divided by 3.791. 3.791 which is given in the question as 5 years PV factor, right? Okay, so when we divide 95,000 divided by 3.791, we will get an annual cost of 25,059. Okay, now next we will take the annual repairing and maintenance cost, which comes around 2 lakh. Okay, after excluding the tax, we will get 2 lakh into 50%, which comes under 1 lakh. Okay, so when we take the sum or the total of 1 lakh plus 25,059, we will get an amount of 1,25,059. So 1,25,059 is the amount which is the annual running cost, which is the annual cost of the old machinery. Okay, now we will look into how the cost will occur while replacing the existing machinery with a new machinery. Okay, so here we have a column, we have a table on particulars and amount. Purchase price is 4,90,000, which is given in the question, less scrapping of old machinery, which comes under 50,000. Okay, which is also given in the question. So when we net the cost, we will get a cash outflow of 4,40,000. Okay, let's keep that amount apart and we'll check out the running cost of the machinery. Cost of running is 1,40,000. When we exclude tax, we will get 70,000, which is 1,40,000 into 50%. Okay, after getting the running cost, we need to deduct the depreciation part. Okay, depreciation we have in the question it is given like it should be calculated in a straight line method. So we need to take 4,90,000 divided by 10, which comes under 49,000, and when we take the tax value, we will get 49,000 into 50 percentage, which comes under 24,500. When we deduct 24,500 from 70,000, we will get an amount of 45,500. Okay, so the 45,500 is the running cost of the machinery. Okay, after that we will take the cost of machinery. The cost of machinery, we will take that 4,40,000 which we have computed in the above table. Okay, after taking the 4,40,000, we need to convert the 4,40,000 into annual basis. So for computing the annual basis, we need to divide 4,40,000 with 6.145. So, which is given in the question. 6.145 is the PV factor for 10 years, right? Yes. So we get 71,602.93. Okay. When we add 71,602.93 plus 45,500, which is total running cost of machinery, we will get a total annual cost of new machinery as 1,70,102.9. Okay, so after computing the same, we need to check whether we need to check which cost is lesser, whether the repairing the old machinery or purchasing the new machinery. So after checking these two options, we can find that by the replacing the old machinery with a new machinery is much cheaper than the repairing the old machinery. Okay, so we can the cost of new machinery is lesser than the old option, which means the second option is preferable. Therefore, replacing the old machinery with the new can be selected. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got complete clarification regarding this illustration. So thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.